And without further ado, this is the, it's a hammer. And it was made by somebody in some country. It's approximately 2 pounds, 16 inches long, and amazing. This hammer costs, I don't know, anywhere from $10 to $300 on the mighty Amazon. And no, it doesn't float. Sinks like the Titanic. So yeah, this is a hammer. Got a nice head, a handy claw, a hard face, and a no-slip handle. This is so it doesn't go mejonier on you when you are beating the boulder dash out of a black trash bag. Now, before I get into the details, I should mention that I have a couple special hacks at the end of the video, so stick around for those. Okay, now, what I like most about this hammer is its invincibility. All the markings have joined the choir invisible over the decades, but this bad boy is still going strong. Another good feature is its perfect length and weight ratio. My guess is that a few years of R&D went into designing this monster of mayhem. As far as usefulness goes, mankind has been using hammers since the Garden of Eden. Who knows, maybe Adam used this exact hammer to pound the pumpernickel out of a pallet or two. Okay, now for the bad. What I most dislike about this hammer is its lack of identification. What is it and where is it from? Without ID, it makes me suspicious. As we head into the fixes, hacks, and conclusion, please like, comment, and subscribe, please, and thank you. Okay, now for fix number 1. So this one time, my VCR wasn't working. So I grabbed this friendly hammer and went to town. VCR fixed. As far as hack number 1 goes, not only can the claw be used for nails, but I have found that it can be used for digging small holes in the ground, like a pickaxe. You're welcome. For hack number 2, raise this fellow into the air just right, and it will summon lightning. But you need to raise it just right. If at first you don't succeed, keep trying. That's what I would do. In conclusion, I would absolutely not recommend this hammer. The lack of ID scares me, and while that might not be a problem for some people, it means that this smoke smasher for me is right out. As a final thought, once again, if the lightning does not come once, keep trying. I had no success, but you might. Hope this review was helpful and humorous. It's a common hammer, and to be honest, every man needs one. With that, keep up the good work, and catch you in the next video.